Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Day 1 to Deep Tech podcast series, where we explore the people, technologies, and real world stories behind today's most exciting engineering careers. Today's conversation is about industrial AI, a field that's transforming the way factories operate, machines make decisions, and businesses improve productivity. Every day, manufacturers generate enormous amounts of data from machines, sensors, robots, production lines, and quality inspection systems. Until recently, much of that data was simply stored. Today, artificial intelligence is helping industries turn that data into meaningful decisions. But what exactly is industrial AI? How is it different from the AI we hear about in chatbots and image generators? And what does it take to build AI systems that operate reliably in factories, power plants, warehouses, and industrial environments? To answer these questions, we are joined by the founder of an industrial AI startup that develops AI powered solutions for manufacturing, predictive maintenance, quality inspection, and smart factory applications. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for inviting me. I'm delighted to be here. Whenever people hear the term artificial intelligence, they often think about virtual assistants, image generation, or conversational AI. Those applications are exciting, but industrial AI is solving a different class of problems. Imagine a factory producing thousands of products every hour. Imagine hundreds of machines working simultaneously. Imagine sensors continuously measuring temperature, pressure, vibration, energy consumption, and production quality. Now imagine being able to predict a machine failure before it happens, detect microscopic defects automatically, optimize production schedules, and reduce energy consumption, all using artificial intelligence. That's the world of industrial AI.
That's fascinating because many people don't realize AI is already working quietly inside factories. Let's go back to the beginning of your journey. Did you always know you wanted to work in artificial intelligence?
Not at all. Like many engineers, I started with curiosity rather than a clear career plan. During college, I enjoyed mathematics, programming, and solving analytical problems. At first, I thought I would become a traditional software developer. Then, during a research project, I worked with a dataset collected from industrial machines. The goal was surprisingly simple. Could we use historical machine data to predict when equipment might fail? At first, I didn't even think of it as artificial intelligence. I simply saw it as an interesting engineering challenge. But as I learned about machine learning, I realized computers could discover patterns that humans often overlook. That project completely changed my career.
What was it about that experience that captured your attention?
It was the realization that software could do more than follow instructions. Traditional software behaves exactly as it's programmed. Artificial intelligence learns from examples. Instead of telling the computer every possible situation, we teach it using data. The system gradually learns to recognize patterns, identify anomalies, and make increasingly accurate predictions. When I saw a model successfully predict equipment issues before they became visible to engineers, I realized this technology had enormous potential.
Many people assume AI is mostly about writing algorithms. Was that your biggest misconception too?
Absolutely. I thought building AI meant training a model and watching it make predictions. The reality is much broader. Before an AI model can learn anything useful, someone has to collect reliable data. That data needs to be cleaned, organized, labeled, and validated. Engineers need to understand how industrial machines operate. Domain experts explain what normal behavior looks like. Software engineers build systems that deliver data to AI models. Operations teams deploy those models into real production environments. Artificial intelligence isn't one technology, it's a collaboration between many disciplines.
What was your first professional role after college?
I joined an industrial technology company as a junior data engineer. Interestingly, I wasn't building machine learning models every day. Much of my work involved understanding production data. Where was it coming from? Could we trust it? Why were certain sensors producing unusual readings? How should information from different machines be combined? At first, I wondered why I wasn't immediately working on AI. Later, I realized something important. Good AI begins with good data. Without reliable data, even the most advanced algorithms produce unreliable results.
That's a lesson many beginners probably don't expect.
Exactly. People often become excited about sophisticated AI models. Experienced engineers become excited about high quality data. The model is only as good as the information it learns from. That's one of the biggest lessons industrial AI teaches you.
Was there a particular moment when you realized industrial AI would become your long term career?
Yes, our team developed an AI powered visual inspection system for a manufacturing company. Previously, workers manually inspected every product for defects. It required intense concentration, and after several hours, even experienced inspectors could miss tiny imperfections. We trained a computer vision model using thousands of product images. When the system was deployed, it identified defects consistently and helped inspectors focus on reviewing the most critical cases rather than examining every single product. It wasn't replacing people, it was helping people make better decisions. That project showed me the real purpose of industrial AI. It's not about replacing human expertise, it's about enhancing it.
That's a wonderful perspective. Many people worry that artificial intelligence will replace engineers altogether. Has your experience been different?
Very different. Artificial intelligence creates new responsibilities rather than eliminating them. Someone has to understand industrial processes, someone has to collect and prepare data, someone has to build machine learning models, someone has to evaluate performance, someone has to deploy AI systems safely, someone has to monitor models after deployment because industrial environments constantly change. Industrial AI doesn't reduce the need for engineers. It changes the kinds of engineering problems we solve.
Looking back, what advice would you give your younger self when you were just starting out?
I tell myself not to chase every AI trend I saw online. Instead, I'd focus on understanding the fundamentals. Learn mathematics, practice programming, understand data, study how industrial systems operate, build small machine learning projects. Be curious about why models succeed or fail. Those foundations make learning advanced topics much easier later. Technology evolves rapidly. Fundamental engineering principles remain valuable throughout your career.
Before we finish this first part, I'd like to ask one final question. Why do you think industrial AI has become such an exciting career?
Because almost every industry is becoming data driven, factories want to improve quality, energy companies want to reduce downtime, healthcare organizations want better diagnostics, logistics companies want smarter operations. Agriculture is becoming more precise, manufacturing is becoming more intelligent. Industrial AI gives engineers the opportunity to solve meaningful problems that improve productivity, safety, sustainability, and decision making. Every successful AI project begins with one simple question: how can we use data to make better decisions? Helping industries answer that question is an incredibly rewarding career.
That's a fantastic way to begin today's conversation. We've learned that industrial AI isn't simply about algorithms. It's about combining data, engineering, industrial knowledge, and artificial intelligence to solve real world problems. In the next segment, we'll explore what the industry is really like. We'll discuss what textbooks often leave out, why industrial AI is much more than machine learning, and naturally introduce concepts like deep learning, computer vision, predictive maintenance, industrial IoT, data engineering, edge AI, ML ops, digital twins, and generative AI through real world experiences. Stay with us.